Hello everyone, welcome to my video channel, Dorothychiapiano, and in this channel I actually talk about all things to do with piano teaching, piano learning and music. So do like and subscribe and click on the bell so that every time I put up a new video you are being notified. Today I'm going to talk about cognition in online learning. Okay, what is cognition? Cognition is the processing of your brain and how you understand something that is being taught. So in online learning, these are the few methods that we are engaging the students' cognition. Visual, so definitely because we are now using a video format, visuals are very important. So if you can enhance your message with lots of diagrams and pictures, that would encourage your student to better understand what you are teaching them. You are also engaging aural. So aural is what you hear. Okay, some people are naturally more in tune to listening out for cues, but sometimes some students are not aural learners. So which means you could say something 10 times and it doesn't get through. Then you know that this student is not an aural listener. Okay, for those who are very good and perceptive with their ears, they would be very good at playback. So you could play something and they get it. You sing them something, like you sing so, do, re, do, and they can replicate it on the piano by playing back what you just sang to them. So aural learners, it's very good to sing and engage them using solfege. Tactile learners need to engage and feel that they are using their hands. So it would help to use props, but because now we are doing remote learning, you have to engage them a bit differently. Perhaps get the student to write on the whiteboard that is on the screen. And Zoom has a function that you can pull out this whiteboard, allow them to write their answers on their side of the computer. And tactile learning works best by engaging the student through doing. Now, intellectual learning. So intellectual cognition, I've broken it down to two types, the written cognition and verbal cognition. So intellectual learners are usually older. So if your student is in primary school, then they would probably be more engaged using the top 3 methods. But for teenagers and adults, it is enough to engage them intellectually. Have them imagine, have them tell you verbally and describe, have them write down their answers. Or you could draw pictures and diagrams and explain just through showing the methodology, and they watch how you do it. This is very good, especially in teaching theory or teaching a piece by analyzing the score. So this appeals to intellectual learners. Okay, so there you have the different types of cognition. Preferably when you design your lesson and for online learning, you should engage all the different types of learning methodology, and depending on the student that you are engaging with, work on their strength. And if you find that one method is not working, try explaining the same concept but using a different approach and engaging them in a different cognition level. Perhaps that will help them to understand what you're trying to teach them. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Till the next week, bye-bye.